WhatsApp is a social media app with a platform that enables chatting, including sending messages, sending pictures, sending videos, sending documents, and making calls. Since the advent of WhatsApp, it has become a huge part of our lives because it is convenient, quick, and easy to use both by the young and the old, making communication easier and quicker. It is true that everyone has large WhatsApp contact lists, but how much of WhatsApp features do you know and use? In this video, I present you WhatsApp contact features and tips you need to know. The illustrations in this video are simple and straightforward, so I encourage you to grab your phone right now and work with me. My name is Titocan and this is Titocan Mac Solutions, a YouTube channel for improving the knowledge of how to do things. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I hereby encourage you to please subscribe now to receive notification every time I publish new and useful content. Subscription is free. Now, let's get started. This is WhatsApp shortcut in my home screen, and I will open it now to access the features. These three dots at the upper right corner of the home screen contains WhatsApp general settings and access to create a group, but I will come to that later in my next video. So right now, let's open this contact and see how much contact features we can use. Now, click on this contact to open the contact page like this, and when you click on the three dots at the upper right corner of the contact page, you will see the following features. Here, I will show you how to view contact and access more features on the view contact page. I will show you how to mute notifications. I will also show you how to insert wallpaper behind chat as background, and then I will show you how to access more features. Now, view contact. When you click on the view contact, this page opens with additional features. And on this page, you can see the phone number of this contact, which I have deliberately covered for the interest of this video. And on this page, you can mute notifications, you can set custom notifications, you can set media visibility, and you can set disappearing messages. I will describe them one by one. Now, mute notifications. When you push the mute notification slider to the right, then you are provided with three available options to mute the notifications. You can mute notifications for 8 hours, 1 week, or always, but you have the option to tick the box for show notifications so as to let messages or media come in and show up at the notification bar of your phone without necessarily making sound. Now, custom notifications. With custom notifications, you can select ringtones of your choice or choose any music from your music library as your ringtone for this contact. Did you see how? I will show you. Click on the custom notifications to bring up the notifications page. Then, click the box for use custom notifications to bring the great features alive. Then click on ringtone under call notifications to bring out preset options of ringtones in WhatsApp as you can see. Click on any sound of your choice here and that becomes your ringtone for this contact. If you wish to use your personal music as a chosen ringtone, then scroll down and click on add ringtone, and this takes you directly to your music library in your phone. Again, select any music and that becomes your new ringtone for this contact. Now, media visibility. In WhatsApp, pictures and videos sent to you are automatically downloaded, and by default, they are saved to your phone gallery. If you don't want them to be saved to your phone gallery, you can choose the radio button for no, and then click OK. However, You may not have to change the default setting because the default setting seems to be the best option for this feature. Disappearing messages. Disappearing messages is a feature that lets the message or media you send to any contact to disappear after 7 days. Naturally, the default setting for this feature is off, meaning no message will disappear after 7 days. But if you wish to let your sent messages and media disappear after 7 days, then activate this feature and put the radio button on like this, and your new messages to this contact will disappear from his phone after staying for 7 days. And if you want more information about disappearing messages, click on Learn More. Now, we are done with the View Contact page. Let's return to the next on the main contact features. The next contact feature is mute notifications. This feature is the same as the one I showed you earlier on the View Contact page. So you can mute notifications for 8 hours, 1 week, or always, with the option to tick the box for show notifications. Now, wallpaper. With wallpaper feature, you have the option to insert picture behind chat as background, and there are 3 ways to do this. To use picture as background, click on the gallery, and from the gallery select a specific picture you like, and as you can see from the preview, I have chosen to use my beautiful wife's picture. If you are satisfied with the selected picture like me, then click on set, and this sets the picture as background wallpaper. You can also use solid color following the same procedure, and you can also use wallpaper from WhatsApp library, but you will have to download it from Play Store or from App Store and install it first. Now, let's access more contact features. When you click on more, you have access to report a contact, block a contact, clear chat you have had with a contact, export chat, or add the contact shortcut to your home screen. Now, I will show you one by one how you can do this. Report contact. You can report a contact by clicking on report, and when you do this, the most recent messages from this contact will be forwarded to WhatsApp, and as consequence, the contact will be blocked and its messages will be deleted. Block contact. You can block a contact, and when you click on the block button, the contact will no longer be able to send you messages, and neither will it be able to call you. The same thing applies to you. Clear chat. If you intend to erase the messages and media you have shared with a contact on WhatsApp, then click on clear, and all the messages and media will be erased immediately and permanently. Export chat. Do you want to export chat messages? If yes, then this is how you can do it. You can export chat messages you have had with a contact either without exporting pictures and videos along with the chat, or by exporting pictures and videos along with the chat. And whichever alternative you choose, the option of where to export it will pop up like this. Select any one of your choice from these options here, and the chat messages will be exported as ASCII file. But if the file size to export is too large, it will not be exported. So, I will advise you to choose the option of exporting chat without media in order for the file size to be as small as possible. Add shortcut. This feature enables you to create a shortcut icon on the home screen for a quick access to a WhatsApp contact who you regularly chat with. When you click on Add Shortcut, this Add to Home Screen page pops up. Click on the add, and the shortcut is created and sent to the home screen, as you can see. So, you don't need to go to chat room and begin to search for the contact all the time. Instead, just click on this shortcut on the home screen and start chatting. Now, let me show you some WhatsApp tips. Do you want to know time someone read your message? You can check the time your message was read. To do that, tap a message you had sent that has been read and hold it down to highlight it like this. And you will have two options pop up as you can see. Then click on the info in the option and you will have the message info displaying the time you sent the message and the time the recipient read the message. So with this tip, you can easily checkmate a friend. You can bold, italicize, or strike through the font of your message by using some symbols or combination of symbols. In this video, I use the word subscribe to show example. Now, let's type the word subscribe on the keyboard like this. Now, let's make the word bold. To make the font of the word bold, I placed asterisk before and after the word subscribe like this. Now, let's italicize the font. To do this, I placed underscore before and after the word subscribe like this. You can also change the font type. To do that, you should place 3 bar quotes before and after the word subscribe like this. You can strike through the word by placing tilde symbol before and after the word subscribe like this. You can combine the symbols and place them in order before and after a word or statement. For example, I combined asterisk and underscore here before and after the word subscribe like this. Deleting chat messages. There are 2 ways to delete chat messages in WhatsApp. You can delete for yourself or for everyone. To delete for everyone means as you delete from your phone, you also immediately deleted the same chat message from the recipient's phone. But this feature is only available under limited time. To delete chat messages, tap the message and hold it down to highlight it like this. Then click on the delete icon and this brings out the delete message page. You can choose to delete for yourself or for everyone, and immediately the message will be deleted as necessary. Attaching files. You can send different files as attachment to chat messages. Click the clip icon to open attachment options. Now, click on document to attach document. Click on camera to take photograph directly with the camera and attach it to the message. Click on gallery to attach picture or video from gallery. Click on audio to attach audio file. Click on location to attach your location, and you can also click on contact to attach contact. Please note that there is limitation to the size of video file permissible by WhatsApp. So I will develop new video to show you how you can attach and post video files of any size in WhatsApp. So subscribe to be notified. We have come to the end of this video. I hope this video and the illustrations were useful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.